Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Friday said that the decision to drop the provision of retrospective taxation from the statute demonstrated the centre's commitment to provide stability of investment climate and also signaled policy consistency. Opposition parties on Friday joined the Kisan protest at Jantar Mantar to express their solidarity with the farmers and reiterated their demands that the Modi government withdrawn with three controversial agri laws. The 2 years that he has been away from the test team has taught KL Rahul has the lesson on making most of the opportunities that come his way, like the he did not first team against England with a fine 84. The 4 astronaut-elects part of the Gaganyaan program are scheduled to begin their India training for the first week of September, with the National Medical Advisory Council constituted specifically for the program having laid out the protocol to be followed given the pandemic situation. Leading economists and the analysts are the view of the both policy stance as well as the tone of the central bank clearly signaled normalization of the policy stance, even though the governor remains vocal on prioritizing growth over inflation. The Nagpur bench of the Bombay High Court on Friday dismissed a petition which sought the Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Union Home Minister Amit Shah be disqualified under the Representation of the People Act 1951. The Supreme Court on Friday said trial court judges, especially those dealing with cases involving gangsters and high-profile peoples, are most vulnerable to external threats and bristled at the inaction of the CBI Intelligence Bureau and the policy in countering the threats to create a conducive atmosphere for judges to do justice without fear or favor. The United States has slapped visa restrictions on 50 immediate family members of Nicaraguan officials who have been involved in or benefited from President Daniel Ortega's growing repression, the U.S. State Department said Friday. India is eyeing historic medal from golf and athletics, apart from one more in wrestling, and Aditya Ashok, Neeraj Chopra and Bajrang Punia make a final push to turn Tokyo 2020 into India's most successful. While Huma Qureshi and brother Saqib Salim are both a part of the same profession and discuss work, they don't necessarily influence each other's career choice. Huma, who will be soon in the bell-bottom, says it doesn't matter what professions you are in, as siblings you are always there for each other.